stock, crypto, credit moves. Good evening, YouTube. Back again for another video. Today we're going to discuss Prosper.com, and it is another lending platform that you can either be an investor or a borrower. So this is a strategy that you can use to just create some extra cash flow, and it's usually beats what's actually available to banks. They usually don't give you anything that pays you an interest rates. So what I like to do is I like to take some funds to try to diversify my income streams, because savings is important, but you don't want to have all your money in the bank due to inflation. So I previously talked about Lending Club, where I was getting about 7% annually. Now on this account, it looks like I started off doing well. 4.81 in April of 2019, June 7, September 7. So started off doing fairly well, and then I start taking the nosedive. And then this month here is actually a negative return. So let's actually look into let's look at the portfolio and see exactly what's going on. And I don't think that return that they have on the front page is right, because too many of these loans are actually paid in order for that APR to be right. So I know last time I logged in this account, it was averaging about 5%. So I mean, some loans are gonna be sold off. So you're not gonna win with everything. But as you see, most of these loans are paid or current. And this account makes about $60 to $80 a month. I think that's what I pretty much was averaging. Plus, so it pays you back your principal plus interest. And the terms are usually 3 to 5 years. I usually do the 3 years. But as you see, the interest rate that they're saying that I got is negative, which doesn't really make sense, because as you see, most of them are current or paid. You got one that was debt sold, so some of them are going to charge off. But that's why I just encourage taking some funds. If you got $2,000 or whatever you want to risk in this 1,000, and you spread it amongst many borrowers, so you're limiting your risk. Go back here. And I actually have $47 available. So I'm gonna go ahead and cash that out. Why not? Just take it. $47 to go out and do something with, or $47 to put towards your light bill, whatever. It's extra cash. And that's what we do here. Just trying to they actually send out letters. Someone has defaulted on the loan, just letting you know. But majority of the loans get repaid. So the strategy is to get as many loans as possible, lend it to people that have the better credit scores. The thing is, you want to take some risk with this, because you're tying up some principal for a long period of time. So what I do is I try not to lend all of it to the people that have the best credit. I like to add some level of risk in it. So you can see as I allocated my risks, A, double A, those are the best people, and then all the way down to E, which is the worst. So like I said, I think that this interest rate is not correct. I think that's what it is right now. Maybe recently it started to fall, but too many loans have been repaid for this average to be correct. So I don't think that this is correct. But I just want to put up another video related to income. As you see, these are not going to pay out like other related platforms that you can make income from, but it is income. So if you're sitting in a bank account, you're not making 6 or 7% on your money, not even 1%. So even if you're getting 2 or 3%, it's better than what's in the bank. So I'm not your financial advisor. I just want to give out another opportunity and how you can actually earn some extra cash. If you like this video, you can subscribe, share, comment, and until next time, signing off.